Which of the following describes a whale? A. A huge marine animal. B. A period of time. Or C. A high-pitched cry of pain. The definition of whale is C. A high-pitched cry of pain. But how can you answer this question without prior knowledge of the word? The good news is that with questions like these, usually the other two definitions are for words that sound similar to the given word. Let's go through the other choices to see examples. A huge marine animal is known, in other words, as a whale. While these two words are pronounced the same, we can see that the spelling is different. And a period of time can also be referred to as a while, also a similar pronunciation, but not the same. Therefore, we can mark C, a high-pitched cry of pain, as our final answer.